Hello friends, welcome to Bangez Math Academy. In this session, we are going to study how to find the solutions of simultaneous equations by determinant method or Cramer's rule. This rule was invented by Gabriel Cramer. So this rule is known by his name Cramer's rule. In previous video, we discussed about how to find the solutions of simultaneous equation by elimination method and graphical method. To clear your all doubts, please watch this video till the end. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe, and thanks for those who subscribed our channel. Practice set 1.3. Fill in the blanks with correct number. We have to find out value of this determinant. These are two vertical line segments and there are two rows and two columns. There are two elements in each row and two elements in each column. So degree of this determinant is 2. To find the value of this determinant, first of all, take multiplication of 3 into 5. So is equal to 3 into 5 minus multiplication of 4 into 2 or 2 into 4. The next step is equal to product of this 3 into 5 15 minus 2 into 4 8. Then subtraction of this 15 minus 8 7. So value of this determinant is 7. See second question. Find the value of following determinants. First example, we have to find out value of this determinant. So these are two vertical line segments and these are two rows and these are two columns. We have to find out value of this determinant is equal to, take product of minus 1 into 4, minus 1 into 4 minus, then product of 2 into 7 or 7 into 2. The next step is equal to minus 1 into 4 minus 4 minus 7 into 2 14 is equal to minus 4 minus 14 minus 18. Then see next example, we have to find out value of this determinant. So take product of 5 into 0 minus 3 into minus 7 is equal to 5 into 0 0 minus 3 into minus 7 plus 21 is equal to 0 plus 21 21. See next example, we have to find out value of this determinant. To find value of this determinant, take product of this 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 minus, then product of this one 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2. Then simplify 7 into 1 7 upon 3 into 2 6 minus 5 into 3 15 upon 3 into 2 6. See, denominators of both fractions are same, so we can take subtraction of numerator. 7 minus 15 upon 6 is equal to 7 minus 15 minus 8 upon 6. By cancellation, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So answer will be minus 4 upon 3. See, third question. Solve the following simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule. First example, 3x minus 4y is equal to 10, 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. We have to solve these equations by using Cramer's rule. So first of all, write down given equation in the standard form. Write down given equation as it is. 3x minus 4y is equal to 10, and second equation 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. First of all, compare this with standard form. a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Compare with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Then value of a1 and a2 are 3 and 4. a1 is equal to 3, a2 is equal to 4. Value of b1 and b2. Value of b1 is minus 4, value of b2 is 3. Value of c1 is 10 and c2 is 5. We have to find out value of d. D means determinant is equal to, in first column write down coefficient of x, that is a1 and a2. In second column write down coefficients of y, b1 and b2. Put values of a1 and a2, 3, 4. Values of b1 and b2, minus 4, 3. Then find value of this. Product of 3 into 3 minus product of this, minus 4 into 4. Then 3 into 3, 9, minus into minus plus 4 into 4, 16. So 9 plus 16, 25. We get value of D. Then find dx. To find the value of dx, hide the coefficient of x and replace it by constant term, that is c1 and c2, and coefficient of y as it is in second column, b1, b2. Put value c1 and c2, 10, 5, b1 and b2, minus 4, 3. Simplify this. 10 into 3 minus 4 into 5 is equal to product of 10 into 3, 30, minus into minus plus, 4 into 5, 20, 30 plus 20, 50. So we get value of dx. Then find value of dy. To find value of dy, in first column write down coefficient of x, that is a1 and a2. In second column hide the coefficient of y, and at this place write down constant term, that is c1 and c2. Put values a1 and a2, 3, 4, c1, c2, 10, 5. Simplify this. Product of 3 into 5 minus product of 10 into 4 is equal to 3 into 5, 15, minus 10 into 4, 40, is equal to subtraction of this 15 minus 40 minus 25. So we get value of dy. Then we have to find out values of x and y. By Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d. Put value dx 50 upon value of d 25. By cancellation, 25 1s are 25, 25 2s are 50. So we get value of x is 2. Then find value of y. Y is equal to dy upon d is equal to value of dy minus 25 and value of d 25. By cancellation we get value of y is minus 1. So we find the solutions of this simultaneous equation. Then write down solution. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. Write down given example or take a screenshot. See, second example, 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. First of all, write down given equation as it is. 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So compare this equation with general form ax plus by is equal to c. So transfer minus 4 to RHS. 4x plus 3y is equal to 4. Then consider second equation. 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. Compare this equation with ax plus by is equal to c. So transfer minus 5y to LHS. 6x plus 5y is equal to 8. Then find value of d. In first column write down coefficient of x 4, 6. In second column write down coefficient of y 3, 5. Simplify this. Is equal to, first of all take product of 4 into 5 minus, then product of 3 into 6 is equal to 4 into 5 20 minus 3 into 6 18. Subtraction of this 20 minus 18 2. We get value of d. Then find value of dx. Dx is equal to, in first column So in first column write down constant term 4 and 8. In second column write down quotients of y as it is 3, 5. Simplify this is equal to 4 into 5 minus 3 into 8 is equal to 4 into 5 20 minus 3 into 8 24. Subtraction of this 20 minus 24 minus 4. So we get value of dx. Then find value of dy. In first column write down coefficient of x 4, 6. In second column hide the coefficient of y and at this place write down constant term 4, 8. Simplify this is equal to, first of all take product of 4 into 8 minus then product of 4 into 6 is equal to 4 into 8 32 minus 4 into 6 24. Then subtraction of this 32 minus 24 8. We get value of dy. Then by Cramer's rule x is equal to dx upon d is equal to value of dx minus 4 upon d2. By cancellation we get minus 2. So value of x is minus 2. Then find value of y. Y is equal to dy upon d. Value of dy 8 upon d 2. By cancellation 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8. So value of y is 4. So write down solution. X is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 4. Write down this example or take a screenshot. See third example. X plus 2y is equal to minus 1 comma 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. First of all write down given equation as it is. X plus 2y is equal to minus 1. Second equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. We have to solve this simultaneous equation by Cramer's rule. So first of all find value of d. In first column write down coefficients of x. Coefficients of x is 1 and 2. In second column write down coefficients of y 2 minus 3. Simplify this. Product of 1 into minus 3 minus product of 2 into 2 is equal to, simplify this, product of this 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 2 4 minus 3 minus 4 minus 7. We get value of d. Then find value of dx. In first column hide the coefficients of y and replace it by constant term minus 1 and 12. In second column write the coefficients of y as it is 2 minus 3. Then simplify this. Minus 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 12 is equal to product of these two minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3 minus 2 into 12, 24. Then subtraction of this, 3 minus 24 minus 21. We get value of dx. Then find value of dy. dy is equal to, in first column write down coefficients of x 1, 2. Then in second column hide the coefficients of y and replace it by constant term -1, 12. Simplify this. 1 into 12 minus -1 into 2, that is equal to 1 into 12, 12, minus into minus plus 1 into 2, 2. 12 plus 2, 14. We get value of dy. Then by using Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d is equal to value of dx minus 21 upon value of d minus 7. By cancelling, minus upon minus becomes plus, 21 upon 7, 3. So value of x is 3. Then find value of y. Y is equal to dy upon d. Value of dy 14 upon value of d minus 7. By cancellation we get value of y is minus 2. Then write down solution. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2. Write down given example or take a screenshot. See fourth example, 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12, comma 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. We have to solve these simultaneous equations by Cramer's rule. So first of all, write down given equation as it is. 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12, 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. Then compare given equation with general form of the equation ax plus by is equal to c. We have to find out value of d. In first column write down coefficients of x 6, 8. In second column write down coefficients of y minus 4, minus 3. Simplify this. 6 into minus 3 minus 4 into 8. Simplify this. 6 into minus 3 minus 18, minus into minus plus 4 into 8, 32 is equal to minus 18 plus 32, 14. We get value of d is 14. Then find dx. dx is equal to, in first column hide the coefficients of x and replace it by constant term minus 12, minus 2. In second column write down coefficients of y as it is, minus 4, minus 3. Simplify this. Product of these two, minus 12 into minus 3 minus 4 into minus 2. Simplify this. Minus 12 into minus 3 plus 36 minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8. So 36 minus 8 is equal to 28. We get value of dx is 28. Then find value of dy. dy is equal to, in first column write down coefficients of x 6, 8. In second column hide the coefficients of y and replace it by constant term. Minus 12 minus 2. Simplify this. Product of 6 into minus 2 minus product of minus 12 into 8 equal to 6 into minus 2 minus 12 minus into minus plus 12 into 8 96. Then is equal to minus 12 plus 96 84. So we get value of dy 84. Then by using Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d is equal to value of dx 28 upon value of d 14. By cancellation 14 1s are 14, 14 2s are 28. We get value of x is 2. Then y is equal to dy upon d. Value of dy 84 upon value of d is 14 is equal to, by cancellation 14 1s are 14, 14 6s are 84. We get value of y is 6. Then write down solution. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 6. Write down given example or take a screenshot. See fifth example, 4m plus 6n is equal to 54 and 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. If given equations are not in the general form of linear equation ax plus by is equal to c, then first of all convert the given equation in the form ax plus by is equal to c and write down given equation as it is. 4m plus 6n is equal to 54, 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. We have to find out d. d is equal to, in first column write down coefficients of m 4, 3. In second column write down coefficients of n 6, 2. Simplify this. First of all take product of 4 into 2 minus, then product of 6 into 3 is equal to 4 into 2 8 minus 6 into 3 18. Subtraction of this 8 minus 18 minus 10. We get value of d is minus 10. Then find dm is equal to, in first column hide the coefficients of m and replace it by constant term 54 28. In second column write down coefficients of n 6 2. Simplify this. Product of 54 into 2 minus 6 into 28 is equal to product of 54 into 2 108 minus product of 6 into 28 28 6 are 168 is equal to subtraction of this 108 minus 168 minus 60. We get value of dm is minus 60. Then find value of dn is equal to, in first column write down coefficients of m 4, 3, and in second column hide the coefficients of n and replace it by constant term 54, 28. Then simplify this. Product of 4 into 28 minus 54 into 3 is equal to 4 into 28. 28 4 the 112 minus 54 into 3 162 is equal to subtraction of this 112 minus 162 minus 50, we get value of dn. Then by using Cramer's rule, m is equal to dm upon d, value of dm minus 60 upon value of d minus 10. By cancelling we get 6, m is equal to 6. Then value of n is equal to dn upon d, value of dn minus 50 upon value of d minus 10. Simplify this by cancelling, we get value of n 5. Then write down solution. M is equal to 6 and n is equal to 5. Write down given example or take a screenshot. Sixth example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 and x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. To solve simultaneous equation by Cramer's rule. See, first equation is in the form ax plus by is equal to c, and second equation is x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Write down given example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, and second equation x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. If we put this value as it is, there is no problem. If we simplify this, here in the denominator is 2. If we eliminate this 2, so multiply each term. By 2, then we get 2x minus, if we multiply by this 2, 2 get cancelled, y is equal to 2 into 1 upon 2 means 2 get cancelled, we get 1. So second equation is 2x minus y is equal to 1. Then find value of d. In first column write down coefficients of x 2, 2. In second column write down coefficients of y 3 minus 1. Simplify this. 2 into minus 1 minus 3 into 2 is equal to product of this 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 into 2 6 minus 2 minus 6 minus 8. We get value of d is minus 8. Then dx is equal to, in first column hide the coefficients of x and replace it by constant term 2, 1. And in second column write down coefficients of y 3 minus 1. Simplify this. 2 into minus 1 minus 3 into 1 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus 3 into 1 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. We get dx. Then dy is equal to, in first column write down coefficients of x 2, 2. In second column hide the coefficients of y and replace it by constant term 2, 1 is equal to, simplify this, 2 into 1 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 2 into 1 2 minus 2 into 2 4, 2 minus 4 minus 2. We get value of dy. Then by Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d is equal to dx minus 5 upon d minus 8. If we simplify this, we get 5 upon 8. Then y is equal to dy upon d. Value of dy minus 2 upon value of d minus 8. Simplify this, minus upon minus it becomes plus, 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8. So 1 upon 4. Y is equal to 1 upon 4. Write down solution. X is equal to 5 upon 8 and y is equal to 1 upon 4. Write down, give an example or take a screenshot. I hope you understood this video and how to solve simultaneous equations by Cramer's rule. Please like and share my video and subscribe to Bangez Math Academy. Thank you for watching.